tuluyan ng tanggalin. Naniniwala si Manila 6th District Representative Benny Abante na hindi sapat ang panibagong suspensyon kay 4th District Cavite Representative Kiko Barsaga dahil hindi pa rin daw ito titigil sa pagsasalita. Sabi niya, we allow that freedom of speech. In fact, sinabi ko pa na kapag pinilit natin siya na magkaroon ng medical expert na tumingin sa kanya, that might even violate his rights as a person. Kaya, nasa kanya, yun he can still speak outside Congress, but not inside Congress. Yan ang payag ni Abante. Muling sinuspende si Representative Barsaga sa loob ng 60 na araw, kasunod ng rekomendasyon ng House Committee on Ethics and Privileges. Noong Disyembre, nang unang sinuspende ang kongresista. Ito yung exact na statement ni Congressman Abante. Sabi niya, ako talaga, ang gusto ko dyan, expulsion na Kasi you can suspend Barsaga, hindi naman titigil magsalita yan granting. Ma-expel na siya. Di magsasalita pa rin. Iyag ito ni Congresswoman Garin sa pagboto niya ng yes para mapatawan ulit ng another 60 days suspension si Congressman Barsaga. Sabi niya nito, naawa ko sa kanya bilang isang ina. Wow, palakpakan naman natin. Naawa siya bilang ina. Okay, pakinggan natin siya.
But with a heavy heart. Because I have tried several times with extreme patience helping the son of our former colleague, Congressman P.D. Barsaga. Because as a mother and as a member of this august body, I felt before that there was in making him understand that disorderly behavior and conduct has no place in governance. However, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, his repeated wanton disrespect of facts, disrespect to the institution, and his habitual lies, fake news, and fantasy to keep on producing distorted facts has led to confusion and chaos, something that the Filipino people does not deserve. Parliamentary procedures and the...
Ikuputol ko pa. Medyo mahaba-haba pa ito. Yung ginagawa daw ni Kiko Barsaga, the Filipino people does not deserve. So, ibig sabihin, dapat maraming na magagalit na taong bayan kay Barsaga. Kailang baliktad daw. Tingnan natin muna ang mamaya na pala. Tapusin muna natin. Tingnan natin yung ilan ang tumawa, ilan ang naniwala dito kay Garin. Konti na lang.
Pure has to be observed. And mind you, Madam Speaker, it is not contained in the committee report. But during his suspension, yours truly, despite the extreme understanding that I have exercised for Congressman Kiko, the newly suspended Kiko Barsaga, I, myself, has been a victim of his fantasy and habitual lies and disregard of facts and truth. Just very recently, the good vice mayor of the municipality of Dueñas, who is a very good friend of Congressman Ferge Biron, died due to accidental firing. I do not know her that much. I haven't had the opportunity to be with her and to work with her. But I empathize with the pain that family has to suffer. But that pain was aggravated when Kiko Barsaga delivered a speech in a podium and made a circus out of the death. Ang former Vice Mayor Lamasan, makatarungan bang paglaruan natin ang hinanakit ng isang pamilya? Makatarungan bang gamitin natin ang ating posisyon para gawing laro ang pagmanipula ng isip ng ating mga kababayan? Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, it pains me that in fact, it's not even extension of suspension because his acts is only tantamount to expulsion. Ang totoo niyan, marami lang sa atin ang naaawa sa kanya at marami ang naririnig kong nagsasabing nakakahiya. Pag Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, hindi hiya ang nararamdaman ko. Ang nararamdaman ko ay awa.
Awa.
Doktor, bilang isang nanay, naiintindihan ko that there might be personal circumstances surrounding the events that are eventually unfolding. It's time for Kiko Barsaga to reflect and deeply look into personal matters while he is on suspension. Nakakaawa, hindi lamang siya, dahil ang stress ng panggobyerno ay dapat siniseryoso, pero mas nakakaawa ang kanyang distrito na kailangan ng representante. With that, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, with the indulgence of our colleague, the Honorable Kiko Barsaga, he would understand that our action is because we are a Filipino and our government deserves the service that we have to generate and deliver. Thank you.
Okay, basa tayo sa mga comments ha. Sandali ha.
Institution
O ito.
and Tropical Brown is a bit
Okay. Ito, tignan natin yung reaksyon ng taong bayan. 54,000 reaksyon. 37,000 tumatawa. Sinong tinatawanan? Garin or Barsaga? Ako, reaksyon ko, tawa eh. Tapos, 5,600 ang galit. Kanino sila galit? Kay Barsaga o kay Garin? So, to me, so that's 37, no? Halos 42,000 ang hindi sumasang-ayon kay Congressman Garin. 10,000 lang ang So, ilang percentage yan? Think mga nasa 70%. 70 to 80% hindi naniniwala kay Garin. Yung 70 to 80% mas pinipili nila, mas sinasang-ayunan nila si Barsaga. Okay. Ayaw nyo yung ginagawa niya? O anong very honorable na ginagawa sa Kongreso? Flood control scam? Be? Ano ngayon? Tahimik kayo sa nangyayari sa flood control scam. Dahil safety na ang karamihan dyan sa mababang kapulungan. Si Saldico lang ang nakakasuhan. Ay, nako. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Daming comments. Elson Ogario, huwag ka na mag-explain, Garin. Alam na namin. Al Madansa, lolo mo, tay. Pilina Palana, you laugh at him because he is different. He laughs at you because you are all the same. The same. Ang daming nagmamahal. Sana yung mga post na ganito, magbasa kayo sa mga comments, magtignan nyo ang reaksyon. Mas marami taong bayan ang galit sa inyo at mas marami ang humahanga. Isa na ako kay Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Mabuhay po kayo, Kiko Barsaga.